Okay, so I am looking at an email from Jay Lizzo. I'm going to go ahead and click the Event Brite link. And here we go. Now, I'm pretty sure I'm already signed in, which I am. If you are not signed in, it's not going to bring you to this page. So be sure you sign in. Here's our little photo with all the supplies. So I'm going to select a date, which is right here. And if you look at the photo here on the lower left, this is where the pickups are going to happen. So just look for the green gate. So anyways, let's select a date. And let's pretend my class is on August 21st, 1 o'clock. There we go. 105 starter pickup. I like that price. I'll click register. There's my information. This is fine. I'll register. And there's the confirmation. And it's August 21st from 1 to 1:30. All time slots are in half-hour increments. I can even view my ticket. And there it is. So, looks good. Now I'm going to show you all something else. So what I'll do is I'll close that out. I'm going to purposely attempt to book a time slot that's already taken. So I'll select the date. And I already know August 19th is booked, but let's try it again. So if for some reason the time slot is taken, you'll get this notice right here. So if that's the case, you could just pick time slots after. So anyways, all right, hope that helps.